Kiambu is very big, and you're working to see the betterment of our county, Kiambu. We want to thank you so much. At least we can see that there is development. We can see that you renovated our hospital here. Sasa ikimalizika, I went to commission the X-ray machine there. Please mheshimiwa, tunakuomba ikimalizika sasa to stock na madawa kwa wingi na personnel wakuwe wengi. You have done it. You have fenced, you have renovated it, and we want to appreciate that. We want to appreciate for the lightings and the work that you are doing here and there, and the ECD for the schools that we are sponsored here. You have done good ECDs, you know, for Kehara, for Gashie, for Wakehara, for Kamoiro, and all the neighboring schools. We have seen ECDs, and they are working because I'm part of the board. They are working very good. Even the children, they eat very well, and want to appreciate for that good work that you are doing. And finally, because of time, I can say that I come from Matangi. You know that Matangi, barabara tulikuwa tunaswim. Sasa at least tumeifanya kiasi, hatuswim sasa. Hatuswim lakini sasa that is first aid. Sasa uhakikisha, I know that was taken by the national government, but you are there to push it. I know I always push, but you have to push ndio sasa hiyo ishe.